Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use the trim command right here. Now as usual there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view the tool palettes. Then by clicking on modify you can find it right here. Now after calling this command you can simply select all the objects that intersect with each others, then click enter. Then he's gonna ask you to select the lines that you want to delete. If I click here, I'm gonna delete this line. If I click here, I'm gonna delete this one. If I click here, I'm gonna delete this one, and just like that. So simple and so easy to use. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.